So you are facing problem with your WordPress website. It's hacked. Don't worry, you are in safe hand. I will fix WordPress problems, malicious issues, malware issues, and everything. I will remove the virus from your WordPress admin, from your theme, from your plugin, as well as from your database. Even they hide it through 64x gadgets, as well as if they hide it through binary numbers, I will detect, I will find in every single line and remove this. As well as I also update your plugins and remove the cracked plugins and remove the backdoors. That's a big and huge problem. And if we talk about the website issue, like if you're facing a redirection issue and malicious issue, spamming issue, and if your website redirecting on the Japanese website or e-commerce, and if you're facing critical errors, if you can't access your WordPress admin, if Google blacklisted, if hosting blacklisted, I will fix everything and give you the scan report 0. All right, I guaranteed my services as well as permanent solution. So don't you need to worry. Come to my inbox. I will help with my best. Thank you so much. Let's work together.